successful. I go, I just saw a cop and I was not trying to get, you mean I got some shit on me, man. Morning family, and welcome back to another video. Today it is March 8th and right now it's 8:16 in the morning, and if you pay attention to any of the vlogs, figure you would know I'm never getting on the charts at this time. What is different about today? Today is NFP. So we have NFP at 8:30, so we have about 14 minutes till the news. And today is Friday, so it's the last trading day of the week. So this is my last opportunity to potentially make money for this week or potentially end up losing money. But overall for the week so far for the week, Monday lost 430, Tuesday lost 1,009, Wednesday made 1,000, yesterday lost 492. If I can catch one good trade risking $1,000, I'm gonna make it all back with some profit for the week. So all I gotta do is just pay attention, stay focused, and look for the best quality setups. Anybody could take a trade, anybody could win a trade, but who's gonna be able to win consistent quality trades? That's the goal, and that's what we're about to do. So let me just get this VIP Trading Network started, get everyone in the live session so we can actually catch some trades and make some money today. Right now, I just took longs on NAS 100. I'm risking a little bit less on this trade just because the market's been a little bit iffy. But overall, I got in at the 1 hour for value gap, and I want to see price continue to move bullish for the rest of the day for Friday. 51 on this trade. Right at 12, that's where it's getting closed. I was risking 6 because it's mini. Come on, right there, brother man. And it's closed. There you go. Just like that, close it all. Yeah, hit the tape. Patience. But yeah, it's already 10. We gonna see. Like I said, I don't really expect too much for Friday. It already kind of showing what it's gonna do, but who knows? Should be, the market be crazy. And look at that, that shit played out perfectly. And as always, the trades that I called were all called out inside of the VIP Trading Network. We took them live with them, but for everybody that wasn't there live, we took it before it happened. I showed you before it happened. That's what we do. We got the before and we got the after. That's how you do it. So this is the results for the week. Monday, lost 430. Tuesday, lost 1,000. Wednesday, made 1,000. Yesterday lost 490, today made 12. So as you can see right here on my Tradovate, you can see for micro E-mini NASDAQ, we made 1235. So I'm actually gonna make that 1235, but I would just wanted to calculate how much I made this week. This is what I do. You could either just look it up like on your broker, but I like to do it by myself sometimes. So for the week, it was only at 304, which is essentially break even considering I was only risking 500 to 1,000 per trade. So it was a break even week, but it is what it is. You can't win every trade. Nor are you going to win every trade. The main thing that you want to be able to do is to make sure that all of your losses are consistently the same number. You want to make sure all of your wins are consistently bigger than all of your losses. That's the name of the game. You're never going to be able to predict whether you're going to make money or lose money. All you can do is control how much you lose when you do lose and how much you make when you do win. The trade today played out perfectly. Everybody in the VIP Trading Network caught the trade, was able to benefit from the trade, and even just benefited from learning and seeing me call these trades live. It was NFP. We didn't catch any trades at NFP, but we did call trades from NFP live. Even though we weren't in them, it's still all practice at the end of the day. Practice makes improvement. And she out of there. Where are we going? I don't know. You don't know?
You trying to run up on my money? Why are you trying to run up on my money?
She need that. She needs that.
What?
Yeah,
You are.
You coming this time? I got you. Here, you want the donkey? So now that we're done the trading day, got Luna. My girlfriend just forgot. She's gonna go get a sweater real quick, but my girl has work at 6. Right now it is approximately 12. No, it's 11:02. Still mad early right now, but the main thing we're gonna just try to do, we're gonna try to go downtown, maybe get some food, just kind of walk around. I want to get content for you guys. I want to record. I just want to give you guys some lifestyle content to end the week off with a bang. It's coming soon, man. Just wait. Just keep watching. You're gonna see me with that McLaren. You're gonna see an all black, red interior with a fucking subwoofer in that bitch. Where is parking? Is this park? right now, just dropped my girl off. I just spent the last couple of hours with her. One thing I want to give you guys a little tip on: when you start getting to like doing your own thing, when it comes to entrepreneurship, when it comes to making money, when it comes to just having your own business and you don't like work for somebody else and you have to manage your own time, try to give people the time they deserve, even if it means having a couple days where you're not working all day. Because me personally, I do want to work all day. I do want to get things done, even though it makes me anxious. It keeps me moving forward. It keeps me productive. But you always got to make time for everybody else. So I just got done that. So right now it's 6 o'clock. I'm about to head to the gym, and I ain't gonna lie, it's the end of the week, and this week has been very good in terms of I've been following all my trade rules. So far we are on day 7, day 8 now, day 8 of the 30-day challenge. We've been going to the gym every day. We've been posting a YouTube video every day. We've been doing everything and staying consistent, and we're actually seeing results, and it keeps me motivated. Even though I'm tired of shit, I feel I'm in pain, I feel physically tired, I'm gonna keep going. You know why? Because I'm seeing results and it's working. So why would I stop? Yeah, it hurts, but who said it was gonna be easy? Who said it was gonna be easy? I know it's gonna be hard. I know it's gonna be painful. I'm gonna go through things, but this is what I have to do to be successful. I'm not gonna lie, I just saw a cop. I thought he was behind me, and I was not trying to get. You mean I got some shit on me, man. But like I was saying is, nonetheless, appreciate you guys for all the support. One of the videos I posted yesterday, the one talking about essentially how trading changed my life in 4 years, and it's going crazy. Right now it's almost at 4,000 views in not even 24 hours, and that's crazy. Just a couple weeks ago, bro, I was posting videos, I was getting 50 views, same types of videos. The one thing that I'm doing differently is I'm just packaging them a little bit differently. For all the people that want to be content creators, when it comes to YouTube, you can both post the same type of video, but if I have a better packaging, I have a better thumbnail, have a better title, and I make them want to watch the video, not want to watch it, but I make them want to click, and I give them, like, they're curious and they actually want to click on it, I'm gonna get more views than you, even if we post the same video. And that's something I'm doing differently. There's a few other things, but if you want to learn, just DM me. I'll give you the sauce, but you gotta come to me personally. We about to head to the gym, get this workout. I'm gonna talk to you guys there. I got a few things I want to get off my chest. Yo, I never got gas. That shit always empty. Big McLaren. Look at the sunset. Gotta love Florida. Gotta love it. The palm trees. Right now it's 6:18, and that sunset's looking beautiful. It looks a little bit better behind the cloud, not the clouds. It looks better behind the trees. But you gotta love it, man. I don't regret moving here at all. Just look, palm trees, balconies. This is what we do it for, man. I was actually gonna go look at these apartments today. I was gonna go look at this high rise. It was like 30 floors up. It's actually not too much more money than what I'm paying now. It's not that bad, to be honest. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna go crazy. And once I get into the gym right now, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the future, my future goals, what I'm gonna be doing, what to expect from it, because I need you guys to hold me accountable. At the end of the day, in entrepreneurship, I was just telling you guys, we don't have nobody besides ourselves. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me while I help you. I ain't gonna lie, I was at the gym. There was mad people there. It was a Friday night. I'm surprised how many people were actually there, but I'm glad they were there. So I didn't record. I didn't want to be sitting there having like 4 or 5 people around me in the background. That's just I like recording, but I'm not to that level yet. But the main thing I just wanted to talk to you guys about while I was at the gym, I'm a little bit tired. So if you could hear it in my voice, if you could hear like I'm breathing heavy, I just got back, but I wanted to get straight to recording this video because I've been getting a lot of love the last couple of days on this channel, and I appreciate all of it, and I want to continue to give you guys value. And I'm tired. You can see it's Friday. Right now it's about to be 7 o'clock. It's the end of the trading week. We ended the week off with a bang. We had a couple of wins. We had a couple of losses. But overall, we followed the rules. And that's the main thing you want to do as a trader. The main thing you want to be able to focus on if you want to make money trading, if you want to make a consistent income trading, is following a process, regardless if you win or regardless if you lose. Because you got to understand wins and losses are going to happen regardless if you have a 90% win rate or if you have a 40% win rate. You're going to take wins and you're going to take losses. How you react to the wins and losses is going to determine if you're going to be successful, if you're going to blow your account, if you're going to stay in the game long term. That's what really counts at the end of the day. You want to stay in the game long term. If you don't want to work for someone else the rest of your life, you got to stay in the game long term. You need to be able to trade tomorrow. You need to be able to trade next week, next month. And it comes with understanding risk management and having a profitable system that you actually follow. Because it's one thing to have a strategy or have a system, but if you're not following it, it doesn't really mean shit. I'm not sure where I got the numbers earlier. I don't know what I did, what I calculated wrong inside of my notes, but we ended the week off with plus $700. We paid about $150 in commission overall this week, and today we made about $1,235, but we took a loss yesterday and we took a loss the day before that, so we were kind of just recuperating. But at the end of the day, we ended up making money even though we lost majority of the trades. If you just seen, I had a 53% win rate for the week. I only won half of the trades that I was taking, but I still made money. And that's the thing, we're not going to win every single trade. We want to be able to make money even with losing. If you can make money even with losing trades, you're going to be way ahead of the game. You're going to be way ahead of the curve compared to other people that are just trying to win every single trade. If you're focused on only winning, you're not going to make money, because focusing on money is the easiest way to not make money. And it may sound a little bit crazy, but it's true. When you stop focusing on the money, when you stop paying attention to trying to just make money and just focus on the process, focus on the system, focus on just doing what you're supposed to, following the rules, being disciplined and doing what you're supposed to, that's what's going to lead you to having the results that's indirectly going to make you money. And we actually just hit 2,000 subscribers today. We were just at like, I don't even know what we were at earlier. We were at probably at like around 18 something, 1850 earlier this morning. And right now we just hit 2,000, and we might even hit 2,100 by tonight. All from this one video that I posted yesterday showing you guys how day trading has changed my life. And all I was doing was just being honest. I was just being transparent. That's really all I was doing. And it's at 4.2 thousand views in 22 hours. Crazy. It could potentially hit 5,000 views in 24 hours. That's crazy to think about. Like I told you guys earlier, a couple weeks ago, I was getting 50 views on videos. They're still at 50 views. I will go watch them. I still gave value. They just didn't get the attention that they needed. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be replying to all the comments, so make sure you comment. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help. I don't ask you guys for nothing besides checking out that free course. Check out the free course if you want to learn how to make money trading. That is what I am telling you to do. Besides that, you don't got to listen to me. I'm telling you, that shit going stupid. And mind you, a whole bunch of people commenting too. Like, I'm just replying to all of them. They just going retarded. They going stupid.
Reply to all of them, bro. That makes niggas like you more.
But also peep this too. Look at all the people getting the free course from it.
Oh my god.
Look.
Nigga, I saw your phone about it dying. I thought it was my phone.